Welcome to Style Spectrum, your go-to channel for all things beauty and fashion. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smoky eye makeup. Often seen as a complex technique, we're here to demystify it and give you the confidence to try it out yourself. So grab your makeup kit and let's get started on our journey to create the perfect smoky eye look. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to add some drama to your everyday style, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to master the art of the smoky eye. Have you ever wondered how to create the perfect smoky eye look? It's a classic makeup technique that's perfect for a night out or any occasion when you want to add a touch of drama to your look. Today, we're going to break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, it all starts with a clean canvas. So, make sure your eyelids are clean and free from any makeup. This will ensure your eyeshadow adheres properly and lasts longer. Now, onto the first step, which is priming your eyelids. Applying a good eye primer is crucial to preventing your eyeshadow from creasing and fading. Dab a small amount of primer on your lids and blend it in with your fingertips. Once your eyelids are primed, it's time to move on to the eyeshadow. For a classic smoky eye, you'll need 3 different eyeshadow shades: a light base color, a medium transition color, and a dark color for depth and drama. Begin with your light base color. Apply this all over your lid, up to your brow bone. This will help the other colors blend more seamlessly. Next, apply the medium transition color. This should be applied in your crease, blending it upwards and outwards. This color acts as a bridge between your light and dark shades, creating a smooth transition. Now comes the fun part. Apply your dark color to the outer corner of your eye and blend it into your crease. This is where the smoky effect really starts to come to life. Remember, blending is key when it comes to a smoky eye. Use a fluffy brush to blend the colors together, creating a gradient effect. To finish off your smoky eye, apply a bit of the dark color along your lower lash line and blend it out. This will balance out your look and add that extra bit of drama. And finally, don't forget to curl your lashes and apply a generous coat of mascara. This will open up your eyes and make your smoky eye look even more stunning. So to recap, start with a clean primed eyelid. Apply your light base color followed by your medium transition color in the crease. Then apply your dark color in the outer corner and blend. Finish off with some dark color along lower lash line and a coat of mascara. And there you have it. A perfect smoky eye look is just that simple. So why not give it a try the next time you're in the mood for a little makeup experimentation? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting beauty and fashion tips. Happy blending!
First off, let's delve into the realm of work attire. A classic white button-down shirt paired with tailored black trousers never fails to impress. This combination breathes professionalism and elegance, perfect for a day filled with meetings and boardroom discussions. A statement belt and a pair of black pumps can add that extra touch of sophistication. Remember, simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication. Transitioning from the office to a party might seem daunting, but the key lies in a single, versatile piece. Consider a sequin top. Pair it with a black pencil skirt for a work-appropriate look, and when the sun dips below the horizon, swap the skirt for a pair of leather pants. Add a pair of statement earrings and strappy heels and voila, you're party ready. Casual outings call for comfort, but who says comfort can't be stylish? A pair of well-fitted jeans paired with a vibrant printed top can make a world of difference. Throw on a light denim jacket for those cooler days and complete the look with a pair of white sneakers. This ensemble is perfect for a day out shopping or a casual brunch with friends. And finally, vacations. Beach vacations scream for flowy dresses in bright tropical prints. Pair it with a wide-brimmed hat and strappy sandals for that perfect beach look. For city vacations, consider a pair of comfortable shorts, a lightweight top, and a pair of stylish sneakers. Don't forget your sunglasses. In summary, the perfect outfit for any occasion lies in the balance between comfort, appropriateness, and style. A white shirt and tailored trousers work wonders for the office, while a sequin top easily transitions from day to night. Casual outings require a blend of comfort and style, achieved by pairing jeans with a vibrant top. Vacation outfits, on the other hand, depend on the destination, with flowy dresses ideal for the beach and comfortable shorts perfect for city exploration. Remember, fashion is not just about following trends, it's about expressing individuality. So, take these ideas, play around with them, and add a touch of personal flair. After all, Every fashion story deserves a personal touch. Happy styling!
First on our list is skin preparation. The secret to a flawless makeup application lies in the way you treat your skin beforehand. Start with a clean canvas by washing away dirt and oil. Then hydrate with a moisturizer tailored to your skin type. And don't forget the primer. It's the bridge between your skincare and makeup, ensuring a smooth and lasting finish. Next, we're delving into the importance of understanding your skin type. Is your skin oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Knowing the answer helps you choose the right makeup products. For instance, if you're dealing with oily skin, opt for oil-free or matte formulations. On the other hand, those with dry skin should reach for hydrating or creamy products. Our third point emphasizes the art of blending. This fundamental technique can make or break your look. Whether you're working with foundation, eyeshadow, blush, or contour, a well-blended application results in a natural, seamless finish. Investing in quality makeup brushes or sponges can be a game changer here. Fourth, we're talking about finding the right foundation shade. It's a quest that may seem daunting, but it's critical to achieving a flawless base. Remember to test shades along your jawline under natural light and consider your undertones, warm, cool, or neutral, to find your perfect match. Fifth on our list is a golden rule: less is often more. While it's exciting to experiment with dramatic looks, a natural, subtle makeup style can beautifully enhance your features without appearing overly done. Remember, makeup should highlight your favorite features, not mask them. Finally, we're stressing the importance of makeup removal. It's a step that's as crucial as applying the makeup itself. Leaving makeup on overnight can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. So, when the day is done, reach for a gentle makeup remover or cleanser, followed by a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. In summary, makeup is an art that begins with proper skin preparation, understanding your skin type,